Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that even though today is Boxing Day, which is the day after Christmas, that we still will be doing Stephen and Walter live at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, December the 26th, 2021. Getting close to the end of the year, aren't we? So I hope everybody had a really great Christmas. Santa was good to us, and we're going to talk about what we found under our tree this year and about our day as well. And I hope everybody else had a really enjoyable day yesterday too, in spite of our shutdowns, our lockdowns, our whatever that's happening this year. The new normal, I guess. So I hope you'll join us today, share some of your thoughts about Christmas with us and other topics that will come up, because there's always topics that come up when we do this, and we'll see you then. So that's today, December the 26th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye for now.